You searched how to buy shares of SunPower Inc. SunPower is a U.S. solar energy company that designs and manufactures high-efficiency solar panels and systems, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SPWR. This video is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy SPWR, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SPWR to find SunPower shares. Select the result that matches SunPower Inc. on NASDAQ to ensure you pick the correct listing. On the SunPower asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent market activity. Confirm the page shows NASDAQ and the ticker SPWR so you know it is the right stock. To place a buy order, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm to submit the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next market session. And if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the purchase. Your open position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same steps.